Hey guys, come on in here and help me make my Easter balloon arch. I'm going to show you some of the things we're going to be using. And guys, you're going to have to bear with me because I'm working by myself and I'm going to have to zoom around and all kind of crazy things to show you guys what I'm working with because there's a whole lot. Tweety Bird here, I purchased him from Dollar Tree. I also purchased this here from Dollar Tree. That they're calling this a Easter garland. I also purchased this pink and blue, and you see the paper back there. I'll explain in a minute what that's for. You see the bunnies over here? Those were something I did by hand. I'm gonna show you quite a few of them that I did by hand. This guy's here, this one here, but I really wanted to focus on, you see the cardboard behind you? And those are the pink balloons that we're going to be using in this garland. I'll show you guys all the rest of the balloons that I have set up on the opposite side. But these 5-inch balloons here are gonna go on my hula hoop. I'll show you the hula hoop in a minute. The hula hoop also was either purchased from Dollar General or Dollar Tree. But let me move this and use these big giant ones here. I'm not quite sure. But this is what I wanted to show you. I'm making my own backdrop. And this wrapping paper here from Dollar Tree, I'm going to wrap it around. It's 2 large boards. I'm going to show you. You see, it's 2 of them. And what I'm going to do, tape it up, and then I'm going to put that wrapping paper over it, and that's going to be my backdrop. And it's going to go so gorgeous with the rest of these guys. You're going to have to see. So hold on, because I need to bring you down, and then I need to swoop you around. Now watch this, guys. There we go. That's the rest of the family. Look at those beautiful colors there. We have all sorts of colors. Those are my sets of quads. Some of them are 7, 8. Some of them are 9. Some of them are 10 put together. Majority of them is no less than 6 of each color put together. Here's my hula hoops here that we're working with. These are cool, guys. Let me see what we can see with. Yeah, I believe these here came from Dollar General. And in the back there, as you can see, we have more beautiful colors back there. And this is what we're going to be working with here, right? And I'm not sure if I want the balloons to go around, square. I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate that, but I wanted to show you these guys over here. Check these bunnies out here. I'm going to zoom out. And these are my bunnies, and I made 3 of them, and I believe they're 23 inches. I made those with my Cricut machine. So I tell you guys, making your own props is the way to go. I tell you that. To order these or to buy these is absolutely crazy. So there you have 2 right there, and I have another one back there. And I made these maybe a week or 2 ago. So I hope you guys can bear with me. But they're going to be implemented in this arch also. So we did the backdrop, we did the balloons, and we have some other things. We have some Easter eggs that we're going to throw around. It's just going to be a whole lot going on here, guys. And I really, really hope you guys are going to like this because I believe this is my first time doing a big giant balloon arch like I'm going to do, and especially with all my props and all of that other stuff there. And if you don't want to use, or you don't have cardboard, guys, you can use poster boards. So guys, if you want to, you can order that from Amazon. If I can remember, I'll try to leave a link for you. But this is what we have here, guys. So what I need to do now is I need to start blowing up my pink balloons. Once I blow up my pink balloons and quads, I'll bring you guys back before I start putting them on my hula hoop. I'm going to have these 2 on each side from the ceiling. That's what I'm going to do. And yeah, so when I finish blowing up the 5 inches, as you can see, we have a whole lot of them. Once again, I'm going to zoom you in. Majority of these pink ones needs to be blown up. As you can see, that's a whole lot of pink balloons. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I put down my first piece of tape to keep my board together. And I'm going to have to do some maneuvering because my space is so small here. I need to put that together to have it in a standing position. And then I can put my wrapping paper, cover it with my wrapping paper. my back side. I'll put a couple of popsicle sticks, and that'll keep it from bending. I don't have popsicle sticks, but I have something just as good as popsicle sticks. Now the thing is, I'm not sure if I want to tape it down or glue it down. And show you guys what it's going to look like. See that? But this is what we have. Okay, if you're ever looking for something and can't find it, that's where I'm at right now. I'm looking for my popsicle sticks and I can't find it. So we're gonna have to go with these guys. These are just some wood pieces that I had cut up, and I'm just gonna put those down here. Right in the seam. I'm gonna move this wrapping paper down just a bit. Guys, I brought you back so you can see the hula hoop with the balloons and the Tweety bird hanging from the light, and that's what it looks like, guys. I'm going to swing you around to the second one, just a little different. So I'll show you the back of that. This is the front of this one here. And there it is. Okay guys, our balloon arch is finished. I'm going to give you a view from each side. And this is what I have for you guys. I think it came out fabulous. And I can understand if this balloon arch is not for everyone, because it does have every color in the book in here. But guys, just check it out. Just check it out. Just tell me if you would do something like this. And if you would, put it in the comments. Again, that's the backdrop that we made. As you can see, I also made a happy Easter sign. And here we go. And this right here is my favorite part. I love the way the flowers blended in with the balloons. I put the Easter eggs on top of that giant balloon back there. I just thought it would just bring texture to it, and I think it did. I'm gonna zoom you in. And here we go. Absolutely pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. There's all our beautiful Easter colors. And again, these bunnies were purchased here from Teen Moo. And the rest of the bunnies in the back, you guys know I made those using my Cricut machine. And it blended in so perfectly with it. But yeah, guys, you tell me what you think. Again, I can understand if it's a little bit too much going on for you guys. But I think if you was having an Easter party or in a church, this would blend in beautiful. So I'm going to get out of the way and I'm just going to give you guys a scan so you guys can see it. But as you know, those little bunnies there, right here, were purchased from Dollar Tree, and I love it. It just brings a pop of color, and everything else just came together, guys. So this is what I have for you. And if you like this video, you guys gotta give me a thumbs up for this one here. And guys, you gotta do me a favor and subscribe. I need you guys to watch the whole video. You guys are just tuning in and seeing what you want and you're jumping out. I would really appreciate you staying for a little while, because a lot of this work we do, guys, is very hard work. And that's the hula hoop up there with the 5-inch balloons. Those balloons were blown up to 3.5. That's where I like to blow mine up, either 3.0 or 3.5. I think that's all you need when you're dealing with the hula hoop, the small hula hoop from Dollar General. So here we go, guys. This is it. This is all I have for you. Again, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind's Journey. If you like what you saw today, give me a big thumbs up. And guys, have a blessed Easter.